everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can hide your Instagram story to your friends. First step, open the Instagram application on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once opened, press the home icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and then post a story by swiping your screen to the left. For sample purposes, I'll just post a random story on my feed. Now, just wait for a few seconds for your Instagram story to be completely posted on your account. Once posted, just press the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and this will lead you to the Instagram story that you just posted. Here, press the more icon or the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then press story settings. Here, under viewing, you'll see the hide story from button. Once you press this button, you can now search certain followers or friends that you want to hide your story from. If this doesn't work, here's another way as to how you can hide your story from your friends. Go back to home and then press the small profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then press the settings icon or settings button. Under settings, look for privacy, which is just below notifications and above supervision. Here under privacy, look for the story icon or story button. Under viewing, you'll see again the hide story from button, so just press this and once again, you can start searching for particular accounts or followers that you want to hide your story from. And that's how easy it is to hide your Instagram stories. If this video helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe. And we hope to see you again on our next videos.